Best synthetic oil. Are you looking for the best synthetic oil? In this video we will look at some of the best synthetic oil on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Editor's Pick, Royal Purple High Performance Synthetic Oil. Royal Purple is a brand that automotive enthusiasts trust, and for good reason. While many names in the oil industry carry strong reputations, Royal Purple has earned particular acclaim among owners of high-performance vehicles. Its synthetic oils are API licensed and meet current industry standards, including ILSAC certifications, as well as the GM Dexos 1 approval for gasoline engines. This ensures that your engine receives reliable, high-quality lubrication that meets or exceeds manufacturer requirements. Royal Purple synthetic oil stands out thanks to its advanced additive technology, designed to minimize metal-to-metal contact and reduce engine wear. In fact, it provides protection beyond the requirements of GM Dexos 1 and ILSAC GF5 specifications. Not only does it safeguard your engine, but it also improves fuel economy and helps maintain the efficiency of exhaust emission systems. The patented anti-wear additives further protect your catalytic converter from the damaging effects of exhaust gases, keeping your vehicle running cleaner and longer. For vehicles running gasoline blended with ethanol, this oil is an excellent choice. Its unique additive package prevents issues like white sludge buildup and lubrication starvation, which can occur with higher ethanol content fuels. This makes it particularly reliable for modern engines that use E10, E15, or similar blends. While Royal Purple may be priced higher than some other synthetic oils on the market, its performance, protection, and strong reputation make it a worthwhile investment. Many drivers consider it one of the top synthetic oils available today, thanks to its balance of engine protection, fuel efficiency, and long-term reliability. Number 2. Best for diesel engines, Shell Rotella T6 Full Synthetic Diesel Oil. For diesel engine owners seeking a high-performance synthetic oil, Shell Rotella is an excellent choice. This advanced synthetic option offers a notable improvement over conventional 15W30 oils, delivering up to 2.8% better fuel economy, which can make a real difference over time, especially for heavy-duty or high-mileage vehicles. The Rotella T6 formula combines fully synthetic base oils with Shell's triple protection plus additive system, providing comprehensive protection against wear, deposits, and oil breakdown. This ensures long engine life and reliable performance, even under demanding conditions. Rotella's formulation is specifically designed to combat the effects of soot, dirt, and other contaminants that are common in diesel engines. Its advanced additive technology helps keep engines clean and running smoothly, reducing the risk of costly repairs or downtime. Additionally, Shell engineered Rotella T6 with shear stability, which helps resist viscosity loss and maintain optimal oil pressure, even under extreme heat or heavy loads. This is particularly valuable for commercial trucks, heavy-duty pickups, and other diesel-powered vehicles that endure high-stress conditions or frequent towing. This synthetic oil is ideal for diesel engines in colder climates as well, as it provides excellent cold start performance while maintaining full protection once the engine reaches operating temperature. Its versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of diesel applications, from daily driving to demanding commercial use. While premium in performance, Rotella T6 represents a smart investment for anyone looking to maximize engine longevity, efficiency, and protection, making it one of the most trusted names in diesel engine oils today. Number 3. Mobil 1 Extended Performance Synthetic Motor Oil. Mobil 1 Extended Performance Synthetic Oil is a full synthetic formula engineered for drivers who want maximum engine protection and long-lasting performance. Its advanced formulation helps prevent the buildup of deposits and sludge, keeping your engine cleaner and operating more efficiently over time. By maintaining stable oil viscosity, this synthetic oil ensures consistent lubrication across a wide range of temperatures and driving conditions, reducing wear and prolonging engine life. The precise blend of performance additives in Mobil 1 Extended Performance offers excellent overall lubrication and superior protection against friction and engine wear. Its formulation provides exceptional thermal and oxidation stability, helping resist oil breakdown even under high heat and extreme operating conditions. This means your engine stays protected, maintains optimal performance, and avoids costly repairs caused by degraded oil or harmful deposits. One of the standout features of this synthetic oil is its low-temperature performance. Mobil 1 Extended Performance allows for quicker engine starts in cold weather, providing immediate lubrication and reducing the stress on engine components during startup. This is particularly valuable in regions with harsh winters, ensuring your vehicle is ready to perform even in freezing temperatures. Whether you drive daily, take long road trips, or operate in demanding environments, Mobil 1 Extended Performance Synthetic Oil is designed to meet the needs of modern engines. Its combination of advanced protection, thermal stability, and low-temperature capability makes it an excellent choice for drivers looking to enhance engine longevity and overall performance. Trusted by professionals and enthusiasts alike, Mobil 1 continues to set the standard for high-quality synthetic motor oils. Number 4. Pennzoil Platinum Full Synthetic Motor Oil. Pennzoil Platinum Full Synthetic Motor Oil is a premium choice for drivers who want superior engine protection and performance. It is engineered using Pennzoil's innovative Pure Plus technology, a patented gas-to-liquid process that converts pure natural gas into a high-quality, full synthetic base oil. This process produces a base oil that is 99.5% pure, containing significantly fewer impurities than conventional oils made from crude. When combined with Pennzoil's advanced additive system, this oil can help improve fuel efficiency, potentially adding up to 550 extra miles per year compared to engines running on less clean oils. This synthetic motor oil is especially suited for modern turbocharged engines, providing reliable protection against low-speed pre-ignition (LSPI), a problem that can cause serious engine damage. Its formulation also ensures faster flow during cold starts, quickly lubricating vital engine components, while offering exceptional stability in extreme heat with a lower tendency to evaporate. Pennzoil Platinum keeps pistons exceptionally clean, up to 50% cleaner than the stringent Sequence IIH industry standard, helping your engine maintain peak performance for longer. Its high-performance protection makes it an excellent choice for a wide range of vehicles, from daily drivers to high-performance and turbocharged engines. This motor oil meets or exceeds a variety of manufacturer specifications and approvals, including FCA MS 6395, Chrysler MS 13340, Ford WSSM 2C946B1, GM Dexos 1 Gen 2, Honda/Acura HTO06, and Volvo. It also surpasses API SN Plus, API SN-RC, all previous API categories, ILSAC GF5, and ASIA A1/B1 standards, ensuring broad compatibility and trusted performance. Number 5. Mobil 1 High Mileage Full Synthetic Motor Oil. Mobil 1 High Mileage Full Synthetic Motor Oil is specifically designed for engines with over 75,000 miles, providing advanced protection and long-lasting performance for aging vehicles. This premium synthetic oil delivers excellent overall lubrication, helping critical engine components operate smoothly while minimizing wear. Compared to conventional high-mileage oils, Mobil 1's formula is engineered to reduce sludge and deposits that can accumulate over time, keeping your engine cleaner and more efficient. It also helps prevent leaks, which can develop naturally as seals age and rubber components harden or shrink. The oil uses a proprietary blend of high-performance synthetic base oils, offering proven protection for up to 500,000 miles of engine use. This blend, combined with an enhanced seal conditioning additive, helps maintain the flexibility and integrity of engine seals, reducing the risk of oil leaks in older engines. By protecting both moving parts and seals, Mobil 1 High Mileage Synthetic Oil helps extend the life of your engine while maintaining reliable performance. In addition to its protective properties, this oil meets or exceeds a wide range of industry standards, depending on viscosity. It is formulated to meet or surpass API SN+, SN, SM, and SL specifications. Certain grades also comply with ASIA A1/B1, A3/B3, and A5/B5 standards, ensuring compatibility with a broad array of vehicles. Designed for higher mileage engines, this Mobil 1 synthetic oil offers peace of mind, combining advanced lubrication, leak prevention, and engine cleanliness to help your vehicle continue running at its best, mile after mile.